Hey guys, what is up? Red Panda Mining here. How are you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing well. Today guys, I'm going to showcase and review to you Cudo Miner. And I want to start off first by saying I am not sponsored by them. And also, if you would like to sign up for Cudo Miner, I do have a referral link down in the description down below. So please feel free to use that link if you'd like. If not, go to cudominer.com and you will see their download page right in the center here. Okay, so let's just start off. What is Cudo Miner? Basically, Cudo Miner is a multi-algorithm, feature-rich CPU and GPU miner. You can earn cryptocurrency of your choice and get 5,000 satoshi bonus when you sign up. Now, Cudo Miner. Why use Cudo Miner, they say. They said, whether you're new to cryptocurrency mining or a seasoned pro, Cudo Miner provides you with a simple to set up, highly profitable way to mine cryptocurrency, with features unmatched by leading mining software. So, first things first is that I totally agree. Since I've used Cudo Miner a bit now, they are pretty easy. It's a pretty easy software to use, and I would straight off the bat fully recommend anybody who has just like a gaming PC with 1 or 2 video cards in their computer and a decent CPU and then you can mine on Cudo Miner. Basically, anybody is able to mine on Cudo Miner. So if you'd like, yeah, take a look, guys. All right, so continuing, choose the cryptocurrency you earn. So here you can choose coins such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, or another currency that they have available. And since this is it's a multi-miner technology, it automatically switches its mining process between coins based on the real-time profitability of the coin. So maximizing your returns. Your optimized earnings are then automatically converted to the coin you've selected. So whether that be Ethereum or Bitcoin, your miner would maybe mine, your computer would possibly mine Ravencoin or Vertcoin or something else. There's tons of different coins out there, and it will automatically profit switch into whatever coin that you'd like. So that's a really, really neat feature. Next, I want to show you guys another feature they have is you can control the GPU usage. So obviously they say here, yeah, you want to run your GPU at 100% during mining, but there is an occasion where you want to give your system, a little bit of a break. And you can run it at 90%, 80%, 70%, so you're not dragging it down a lot, right? And so that's just a neat feature you can use. You can also use it while you're gaming. I haven't tried that myself, but maybe I'll do a test on that in another video. And then next, guys, there is a nice earnings and system analytics graphs that you can see, and how much satoshis or different coins you're earning per hour or per day or per month. They have all that there. And lastly, they said you can earn while your system is idle. So if you're working or you're playing games, and it'll be off. But then once you turn that off and your computer's just sitting there, Cudo Miner will just automatically come on and start mining for you so that you can earn cryptocurrency. So enough about the features, guys. I would like to now showcase you guys how to install it and all that good stuff. So let's go through. We'll click on the sign up and install download. It'll bring you to Cudo. So it'll show 2 different tabs here, login or sign up. So if you haven't signed up already, go to sign up and then put your email address and password. Click on sign up and it'll email you a confirmation. You click on that and then it'll bring you back to this page. Then you go type in your email address. So I've already created one. redpandaminingtest@gmail.com, and here's the password. So there, you log in. Boom. It'll bring you to their console.cudo.org after you've logged in. Now, first thing you'll see is Cudo. Welcome to Cudo. Firstly, please enter the below fields. So name, I'm just gonna put Red panda mining test. And it looks like it'll autofill a username for you, which is great. And then payment coin. So it looks like you can choose which coin you'd like to be paid out in. And it says Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero, Ravencoin. So I'm gonna just say Bitcoin, for example. Click on save, and I'm sure you can change that later on. Okay, now it says thanks for signing up. Download Cudo Miner to get started. And obviously they have the Mac version, Ubuntu, and Cudo OS, which I'll be reviewing in another video. But for this video, guys, I'll be trying out the download for Windows. So let's go ahead, download that. And download for Windows. And it should show up at the bottom here. Now you can right click it and show in folder, and it'll automatically go into your downloads folder. Now then you can right click it and you can extract it using 7-zip or WinRAR or whatever extracting program you have, and then click on extract. And that's done. And then you go into the Cudo Miner folder, and now you can double click on the Cudo Miner executable. Now before I do that, I just want to keep going on with this this tutorial here. So it says use your username to log in on the desktop software. Take note of it as you will need it in the future. So when you install or open up Cudo Miner, it will ask for your login username. So I will be putting in Red Panda Mining Test. So let's just get started here. And boom. So look at that. I already have my 5,000 satoshi bonus, which is really cool. And wow, look at that. Look at this graph here. Look at that revenue. So 5,000 already. So everyone who signs up gets a $5,000 satoshi bonus. Okay, now let's go. You'll get a message here. Welcome to Cudo Miner Web Console. Here you will manage your mining, view stats, monitor your hardware, withdraw funds, and more. You can always download the latest version of the software on the bottom of this page. So click got it. Okay. So yeah, we're in. So now guys, let's go ahead and let's go and double click on the cudominer.exe that you just downloaded. Click on that. You'll get the Cudo Miner setup. Click on I agree. Installing. So let that go. And while that's going, let's go back to the web GUI. Oh, that was fast. Okay, so it's downloaded, it's already installed. And it will see here. Okay, so this is the GUI that they installed. Cudo Miner, please log in, please enter your username. So here, that's the username that we saw earlier. I'm gonna put in Red Panda Mining test, and you hit go. So look at that. You don't need a password or anything. You just need the username to associate your miner to. So that's pretty nice. I like that. Wow. Okay, next up, welcome to Cudo Miner. Choose your settings to get started. Pause when the computer is in use. So you can turn that on if you are planning on gaming or you're just doing some stuff or working. You can have that on. But for my case, I'm just gonna have that off because this rig will just be mining. And for example, guys, I forgot to show you that I do have a test rig I'm doing this on. It's a GTX 1070 on a single frame with a motherboard, processor, RAM, and all that kind of stuff. So I'm basically mimicking a gaming computer that you guys could have and all that kind of stuff. So let's go back to this. Launch on startup. So I'll have that on. Sure, why not? Earn when started. So that's on automatically. So now the next thing, guys, you want to increase profitability. Enable third-party miners. By enabling third-party miners, you allow Cudo Miner to download closed-sourced miners while we do our best to ensure that they are safe and secure. We do not take responsibility for any issues caused by them. Please tick the box to confirm you understand the risk. So I have experience with third-party miners, and I'm going to say yes to that. Let's turn that on. And enable overclock settings for each algorithm in beta. Now, there are two different ways you guys can do this. So you can have this off, and you can overclock it yourself with MSI Afterburner, which I don't have installed, but I want to showcase to you guys that we want to do it as I want to do it. You can enable it with on, so that cudo miner will overclock your card yourself. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so you click save, and now it's going to start downloading all the different miners. It looks like Claymore 12 for Ethereum, and you can see now that it's going ahead and benchmarking a bunch of stuff. After you install cudo miner, you should restart your rig so that the settings can take place and your video card will show up under the device in cudo miner. Okay, so when I opened up my rig, now cudo miner automatically opens up and it started benchmarking and doing everything automatically. So now you can see that the card is mining Raven coin. This is the GTX 1070 with 8 gigabytes, Zotac specifically, and you can see the wattage there, the power usage, memory clock, core clock, fan speed, temperature, and whatnot. Now, if you wanted to, you can change the GPU, the algorithm that you'd like to mine, but I would leave that on auto because cudo miner knows what is profitable, and the payout coin is the one that you want to be paid out in. So I would leave that on auto because it is a profit switching software which will mine the most profitable coin and pay you out in Bitcoin or whatever coin that you want it to be paid out in. So really cool. I really like cudo miner. This is really awesome software. I'm gonna make some more videos about it, guys. I want to test it out with about 6 cards in a 6-card mining rig and whatnot. And as well, they have a cudo OS as well. So another thing, guys, with the cudo miner for Windows, you can change the overclock settings and fan speed in here. So whether or not you want to run your card at 60% fan speed or 70, you can enter that in and save, and it'll benchmark again. As well as you can change the overclock and core, all that stuff yourself. But the cudo miner apparently has that setting that we just checked earlier with enable overclocking settings for each algorithm beta. They will do that automatically. So take that as you will, guys. You can either use that or use MSI Afterburner to change your settings and lower the power limit on your card and all that kind of stuff. But awesome. So let's go to the web GUI. So if you had multiple rigs, for example, you can log in, and then now you'll see online on your devices that you'll have your rig here. So here it is, the Miner 04 that I named it with a GTX 1070, and it says status is running. We have to go into the miner. Okay, now we can see the more in-depth stats online. Okay, so yeah, now you can see here it's mining Raven coin, and you can see the sats that it's generating. And then down below here, you can see that it's running on the X16R algorithm with the Z-Enemy 1.28 CUDA 10 miner. And it's hashing at 21.6 mega hash on this GTX 1070. So really cool. Really cool. I really like this web interface. And it seems to be pretty slick as well. It shows all the stats and everything online. The memory, the utilization, power usage, temperature, fan speed, graphics clock, and memory clock, and whatnot. Also the driver version of that you've installed on your Windows machine, which I have the latest driver and everything. So really cool, really cool. Alright guys, next up I want to show you the accounts. So this is where your wallets or your the coins that you've mined will be here. So Bitcoin and whatnot. Now, if you want to change your payout coin, you go to settings, and then you can go to payment coin right here. So you can choose Ethereum, Monero, Raven coin, and you can change whatever payment coin you want to be paid out in. And so basically, when that changes, it'll change out in your miner as well. And so if you want to be paid out in Ethereum, it'll say payout coin Ethereum. So everything you've mined in Raven coin will auto profit switch into Ethereum instead of Bitcoin that we have here. So yeah, you can see this, guys. You can see the satoshi value that I have right now. It'll calculate all your profits as well as your daily earning potential on your card. So in my case, my GTX 1070, it's going to earn around 56 cents a day potentially, or $16 a month. Really cool. Really cool. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. It's pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy to use software and easy to set up. It has a really nice console, a website that you can log into, and you can see all your miners running through the web or on your phone, and as well as the software to install on the Windows itself is pretty self-explanatory and pretty easy to do. So yeah, props to Cudo Miner. I really enjoy their software. I'm gonna probably use it for a few rigs coming up real soon, and test out a different their different miner that they have called Cudo OS. So that'll be fun. That'll be fun, guys. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below about Cudo Miner, and if you would love to use Cudo Miner, I recommend for anyone who's just getting out to starting in mining to try it out as their first miner to use. They are really legit. And if you guys like to use my referral code down below, feel free to click on that, and it'll bring you to the Cudo Miner website where you can download their Cudo Miner software for Windows or whatever other OS that you guys would like to use. That referral link will help me out a little bit for the channel, support me and whatnot, but if not, that's okay. So, but anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Let me know what you think, and I appreciate all of you who've watched me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.